समस्त को नमस्कार। आज आम जियोग्राफी किसी क्वेश्चन को डिस्कसन करवा। तो आमर प्रथम क्वेश्चन रही व्हिच स्टेट हैज स्मॉलेस्ट लैंड एरिया। यार आंसर हो गोवा। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, द क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया इज मेनली ट्रॉपिकल बिकॉज। यार ऑप्शन हो ऑप्शन ए बिकॉज ऑफ द लोकेशन ऑफ द हिमालयस इन इट्स नॉर्थ। नेक्स्ट, द टू वोल्केनिक आइलैंड्स इन द इंडियन टेरिटरी आर। The answer is Narcondam and Barren Island. So next, among the following union territories of India, which one has the largest size? The answer is option A, Pondicherry. Question number 5. Which one of the following is correctly matched? The answer is option D, Red Cliff Line India and Pakistan भीतर अच्छी। फिर इंडिया पाकिस्तान की डिवाइड करे। Next, Duncan Passage is situated between. Option is option A. Option D, South Andaman and Little Andaman. Next, 10-degree channel is between. Option is option C, Little Andaman and Car Nicobar. Next, if the usual rule of calculation of time were applied for the extremes of Gujarat, Arunachal Pradesh, then approximately time. ऑप्शन डी, अरुणाचल प्रदेश वुड बी अहेड ऑफ दैट ऑफ गुजरात बाय 2 hours। तो 2 घंटा डिफरेंस अच्छी। नेक्स्ट, इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन पासेस थ्रू द स्टेट्स ऑफ यूपी एमपी। आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, ओडिशा एंड एपी देगी पास करिछि। नेक्स्ट, द लाक्षाद्वीप आइलैंड्स आर सिचुएटेड इन। आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, अरेबियन सी। नेक्स्ट, व्हाई व्हिच फॉरेन कंट्री इज क्लोजेस्ट टू अंडमान आइलैंड्स। The answer is option B, Myanmar. Next, which one of the following states shares boundaries with the maximum number of states in India? The answer is option C, Assam. Next, Jharkhand does not share boundary with. The answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Next, which one of the following is east of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands? The option is option C, Indonesia. Next, the states which have common borders with China are. The answer is option D, 4टा जगह, जम्मू कश्मीर, सिक्किम, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, हिमाचल प्रदेश। नेक्स्ट, द स्टेट्स ऑफ which having common border with Myanmar. आंसर ऑप्शन ए, मिजोरम, मणिपुर, नागालैंड, अरुणाचल प्रदेश। नेक्स्ट, द स्टेट विथ लार्जेस्ट एरिया अंडर वेस्टलैंड इज। द आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। नेक्स्ट, द लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन ऑफ शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स इन इंडिया। The answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Next, the Himalayan mountain system belongs to which one of the following? The answer is option A, fold mountains. Next, the oldest mountains in India according to geographical history are. The answer is option D, Aravalli. Next, the highest mountain peak in India is. Answer option C, K2. Next, which one of the following is the correct sequence of the age of formation of youngest to oldest of the given mountain ranges? The option is option A, Himalaya, Vindhya, Western Ghats, Deccan Traps. Next, Arakan Yuma is the extension of Himalayas located in. Option D, Myanmar. Next, match the followings. Next, the transport route connecting the Kashmir from Leh crosses the high mountain at. Option B, Karakoram Pass. Next, which one of the following mountains is not the part of Eastern Ghats? The answer is option D, Ellamalai Hills. Next, Kodaikanal, the famous hill station of South India, is situated on. Option A, Palni Hills. Next, which one of the following statement is not correct? Which one of the following relates to the formation of Himalayas? The answer is option C, folding of the geosyncline. Next, which one of the following is the most prone to earthquakes? Answer option D, young folded mountains. Correct sequence of different sections of the Himalayas in terms of stretch in the descending order. The answer is option B, Nepal Himalaya, Assam Himalaya, Punjab Himalaya and Kumaon Himalaya. Next, the Vindhyas belong to which class of mountains? The answer is option A, block mountains. The mountain range which stretches from Gujarat in west to Delhi in north is. Answer is Aravalli. Next, the Himalayas are formed of parallel fold ranges of which oldest range is? The answer option C, the Great Himalayan Range. Maharashtrian plateau is made up of? The answer is option D, lava. The highest peak in South India is? Option C, Anaimudi. 37. Aravalli ranges are an example of? Option C, residual mountains. Next, which of the following mountain passes lies outside India? The answer is Khyber Pass. Zojila Pass connects? Option D, Leh or Srinagar. Next, which one of the following is the main difference between the Western and Eastern Ghats? The answer option B, continuity. Next, which one of the following is not true regard to the coastal plains of India? Option D, the west and east coasts have the same alluvial features. Next, in which one of the following is the Himalayan pass Sipkila is located? Option D, Sutlej Valley. Next, arrange the following hills ranges in north to south. Answer is option B. Which of the following gives the correct sequence of hills in east to west direction? The answer option A, Naga, Mikir, Khasi, Garo. Consider the following mountain ranges. Which one of the following states in India has the broadest continental shelf? The answer option D, Tamil Nadu. Next, the new alluvial deposits found in the Gangetic Plain are known as? Answer is C, Khadar. Next, the correct order of given hills from west to east is Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Naga. Arid valley is found mainly due to? Option B, the subsidence of the floor of a river valley. The Himalayas are generally divided into three ranges which do not include? Option C, Karakoram. What do you understand by the term Doab? The answer option D, land between two tributaries of a river. Next, Shivaliks are? Answer is option B, foothills of Himalayan ranges. Palghat joins which of the following states? The answer option C, Kara, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Next, dash from the western boundary of the Indian subcontinent. The answer is option D, Hindu Kush. Next, why is the Himalayan region is poor in mineral resources? Option A, displacement of rock strata has disturbed the arrangement of rocks and made it too complex. Next, which one of the following gives the correct sequence of Himalayan peaks direction east to west? Answer is option D, Namcha Barua, Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest and Nanda Devi. Next, which one of the following is the junction point of Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats? The answer is option C, Nilagiri Hills. Next, the highest peak of Himalayas in India is in? Option C, Sikkim. Next, where exactly is Aksai Chin? The answer is option B, the northeast corner of Jammu and Kashmir. Next, Nanda Devi Peaks forms a part of? Option B, Kumaon Himalaya. Next, which one of the following statements is not correct? The Western Ghats are relatively higher in their northern region. Option A is wrong. Which one of the following is correctly sequenced of the given hill starting from the north and going towards the south? Option C, Nallamala Hills, Javadi Hills, Nilgiri Hills and Anaimala Hills. Next, what is the name of the highest summit of Nilgiri Hills? Option C, Dodabeta. Which one of the following is the Himalayan passes reopened around in the middle of the year 2006 to facilitate trade between India and China? Option C is Nathula. Next, where are Sevra Hills located? Option D, Tamil Nadu. Which state is the Guru Shikhar peak located? Answer option A, Rajasthan. Next, the hill ranges that separates the state of Manipur from the state of Nagaland is A, option A, Arakan Hills. Which one of the following does not lie in Maharashtra? Option C, Mandab Hills. Arrange the following hills of southern India from north to south. Option A, 3, 1, 4, 2. Amritsar and Simla are almost the same latitude, but their climate difference is due to option A, the difference in their altitude. The length of India's coastline is about option D, 7,005 km. Which state has the largest coastline in India? The answer is Gujarat. The Karakoram Highway connects which of the following pairs of countries? Option D, China and Pakistan. Which of the following latitudes passes through India? The option D, Tropic of Cancer. Which one of the following countries has the largest international boundary with India? The answer is option A, Bangladesh. Next, India is the 7th largest country in the world and it covers a total area approximately option C, 32 lakh square kilometer. Next, the largest southernmost single island is in India is option D, Great Nicobar Island. Which state among the following has the highest percentage of scheduled caste population of state population? Option A, Jharkhand. Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. Option D, Odisha. One of which of the following correct frequency passes places going from east to the west? Option C, Jorhat, Bhopal, Ahmedabad, Rajkot. Which of the following sets of cities is located on the reference longitude of India for India Standard Time? Option C, Kakinada, Pondicherry. Mekong line demarcates the boundary between option B, India and China. ये क्वेश्चन आम यही सीरीज को आगे कंटिन्यू रखा आपण मैंने यही सब भाव आम सह जोड़ी हुई रुहतु।